Welcome back, my dear students. We are doing chapter number 4, that is business services. We have already done the few parts, that is the principle of insurance, that is the first one, utmost good faith, insurable interest, and principle of indemnity. Now we are starting up with principle of proximate cause. Now the insurance company will compensate only for the losses that are incurred by the insured due to the reason which were mentioned in the insurance policy and not for any other matter. But if losses are incurred due to reasons not mentioned in the insurance policy, then the insurance company is not liable to pay for the compensation. We can understand this with the help of an example. A person has taken flood insurance, but fire occurs at his place. Now, insurance company is not liable for paying of the compensation. The next one is principle of subrogation. As per this principle, when an insurance company compensates the insured for the losses of any of his property, then all the rights related to that property will be automatically transferred to the insurance company from the insured. Now this principle applies to all the insurance contracts which are the contracts of indemnity. And what is the principle of indemnity? That is, the insurance company is liable to make the payments or the compensations to the insured only if the losses are happening. Otherwise, they are not going to make the payments, that is, for which they are not liable. Let's understand the principle of subrogation with the help of an example. Mr. B has taken a vehicle insurance of rupees 5 lakh for his truck. He comes across a major accident which damages his truck fully. Now what will happen is the insurance company has to compensate him rupees 5 lakh. But what will happen is 5 lakh after this, all the residual value, that is of the truck, will be transferred from the insured to the insurance company. Now the sixth principle is principle of contribution. Now according to the principle, if a person has taken more than one insurance policy for the same risk, then all the insurers will contribute to the amount of loss in proportion of the amount that they have assured, and compensation for the actual amount of loss will be given because he has no right to recover more than the full amount of the actual loss that has happened. Understanding this with the help of an example. Property worth rupees 5 lakh is insured with company A for rupees 3 lakh and with company B for rupees 2 lakh. Now in case of damage to the property for rupees 3 lakh, the owner can claim the full amount from company A, but he cannot claim any amount from company B in this particular case. Now company A can claim the proportionate amount which was reimbursed by the company from company B. That is, हम उसको short में कैसे समझ सकते हैं? For that purpose, what we are taking is the property. The actual value of the property was 5 lakh, but from company A we have get it insured for 3 lakh, and from company B it is 2 lakh. Now, if any damage occurs, now since the damages occurred only for rupees 3 lakh, so the amount that the insured can recover is going to be the proportionate amount from company A and B. Okay, it cannot recover from only one company the full amount, and if it is recovering from only from the one company, then the compensating company can ask for the reimbursement from the other company. Now the seventh one, that is the principle of mitigation. Now according to this principle, the insured must take reasonable steps to minimize the loss or damage. Example, Ram has taken a flood insurance for his goods in the godown. There was a flood alert by the government in the city, but then also he did not took any precautions for the flood. So in this particular case, the insurance company is not liable to pay the compensation and can deny for paying the compensation.